Students, in the previous two videos, a design problem of worm gear. We have designed worm and gear both and determined the value of module, pitch circle diameter of worm, pitch circle diameter of gear, and other important parameters which are required to design the worm gear system. After that, in the second video, we have checked our design for tangential load, dynamic load, wear load, and static load. In this video, we will check our design for heat dissipation. This checking is very important because if heat generated within the gearbox due to friction between worm and gear, if this heat generated is more than the heat dissipated, then it will cause thermal deformation of the gears, and it is very dangerous. So I am reading the same problem. Design 20-degree involute worm and gear to transmit 10 kilowatt with worm rotating at 1400 rpm, and to obtain a speed reduction of 12:1. The distance between the shaft is 225 mm. Center distance is 225 mm. So we will check our design for heat dissipation. Let us find the efficiency of worm gearing. So we know that the revving velocity is given by pi into dw nw by cos lambda. We have determined the value of dw, which is pitch circle diameter of gear. It is 0.07324. Its unit is मीटर. तो यहाँ इस बात का आप ध्यान दें कि इस फॉर्मूले में dw हम मीटर में रखेंगे. nw 1400 rpm. So after calculation we will get velocity ratio, rubbing velocity Vr is 351.6 meter per minute. Next we will find the coefficient of friction. This coefficient of friction depends upon the rubbing velocity, and since rubbing velocity is greater than 180 meter per minute, so we will use the formula for coefficient of friction, mu equal to 0.025 plus rubbing velocity divided by 18,000. ये फॉर्मूला आपको डिजाइन डाटा बुक में मिल जाएगा. We will put the value of rubbing velocity 351.6 meter per minute, and we will get coefficient of friction mu equal to 0.0445. Next we will determine the angle of friction phi1, which is given by phi1 equal to tan inverse mu. We will put the value of mu 0.0445. So we will get phi1 equal to 2.548 degree. Now we will find the efficiency of worm gear system. Efficiency is given by efficiency equal to 10 lambda upon 10 lambda plus phi1. We will put the value of lambda as 23.6 degree and as phi1 2.548. So after solving we will get efficiency as 0.89, which is equal to 89%. आपके पास कैलकुलेटर जरूर होना चाहिए और डिजाइन डाटा बुक भी पास में होनी चाहिए. Without the design data book, you cannot solve the design problems in this subject. Now we will find heat generated. हम 25% ओवरलोड मान के चलते हैं, इसलिए हीट जनरेटेड का फॉर्मूला बनता है 1.25 P multiplied by 1 minus efficiency. We will put the value of power transmitted P, which is 10,000, और efficiency हम रखेंगे 0.89. So heat generated will be 1375 watt. Now we will find the projected area of the worm, which is AW equal to pi by 4 dW square. dW is the this circle diameter of the worm. इसकी वैल्यू होगी 73.24. So after solving we will get projected area AW equal to 421, it is 4214 millimeter square. Next we will calculate projected area of the gear, which is given by AG equal to pi by 4 dg square. dg is pitch circle diameter of gear. Its value is 384. After solving we will get projected area of the gear AG equal to 115,827 meter square, as you can see in this slide. So total projected area is summation of projected area of worm and worm gear, which comes out to be 120041 millimeter square. We will convert it to meter square, which is which is equal to 120,041 into 10 raised to the power -6 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो प्रोजेक्टेड एरिया हम मीटर स्क्वायर में ही लेते हैं. तो प्रोजेक्टेड एरिया हम मीटर स्क्वायर में ही लेंगे. नेक्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट द heat dissipating capacity of our worm gear system, which is given by the formula QD equal to area multiplied by T2 minus T1 into K. Area we have calculated in meter square, right? Taking heat K, value of K equal to 378. This we have already discussed in my previous video, where I have discussed about the heat dissipation capacity of worm gear system. So heat dissipated should be equal to heat generated to avoid thermal deformation. So when we put QZ equal to QD, we will get the value of T2 minus T1 as 30.3 degree. Since this temperature is within the safe limit and it is less than 38 degrees centigrade, therefore our design is safe. तो हीट डिसिपेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी हमारा डिज़ाइन सेफ है. तो वी कैन अप्रूव दिस डिज़ाइन. हर एस्पेक्ट में ये सेफ है. तो ये एक बहुत ही लेंदी प्रॉब्लम थी वर्म गियर डिज़ाइन की, आपने देखा, और 3 वीडियोस में ये कवर हुई. तो ये तीनों वीडियो आप देखिए लगातार और अपने नोट्स बनाइए. इस प्रॉब्लम को दोबारा सॉल्व करिए कैलकुलेटर और मशीन डिज़ाइन डाटा बुक लेके. इसमें यहाँ प्रैक्टिस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है. एग्ज़ाम में ये ध्यान रखें कि प्रेजेंटेशन किसी भी न्यूमेरिकल का बहुत मायने रखता है, स्पेशली इन दिस सब्जेक्ट ऑफ मशीन डिज़ाइन. प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा होगा, आप मार्क्स अच्छे स्कोर करेंगे. राइट? ओके, डन.